So on a daily basis, you may have tasks that are your personal tasks or your office related tasks that you want to manage. So if you want to go ahead and manage them, one of the tools that you can use is Google Tasks. So to access Google Tasks, you can go to your Google account and then go to your Google Apps section right here. And then from over here, you can see that Tasks is an option. You can go ahead and click right here and it redirects you to Google Tasks homepage right here. You can alternatively go to tasks.google.com right here and press enter and get to the same page as well. And in order to have access to your task, you need to go around and be signed in with your Google account right here, just like this. If you're not signed in, then you'll be prompted to sign in. And now, once you open up the task right here, this is the interface that you see. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see the task icon right here. And if you were to click on the hamburger icon, you can go ahead and then hide or show out the main menu right here. If you were to go around over here and click on create, then you can see that you have an option to create out new tasks. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say check email right here, and you can select out date and time and so forth right here and press OK, and the task gets added in and you'll be able to see it right here. If I were to click on the three dot button, then you see the different option for managing out your tasks. For example, you got the sort by option, you got the rename option, you got the print list option, and so forth. And over here on the left hand side, you can see and access out your start tasks as well. As we progress through this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and see how we can go ahead and manage out our tasks right here. So now you can go ahead and minimize or maximize out the list right here, just like this. And over here on the top right hand side, you have access to other Google apps right here. So you can simply go ahead and switch to other Google apps as you want. And you have access to your Google account right here. And you can go ahead and change around your account properties. And if you were to go to the support menu right here, then you'll be able to access the tasks keyboard shortcut and send feedback and access the help section as well. And this is basically the interface of Google Tasks. And now, as we move along throughout this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and see how we can utilize Google Tasks to manage out our different tasks and keep track of them easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe